For this month's South School class, we will be learning about animal and animal welfare in honor of the World Animal Day on October 4th.
Do you guys like animals? Are any of you living with a pet? There are so many animals all around the world, and we've been living with them for a very long time.
But unfortunately, not all animals are happy. There are some animals that are being abused and exploited. First, there are dogs trapped in breeding farms that are not being fed properly and not being able to get enough rest in a dirty environment. Also, some dogs are caged in dog meat farms and raised to be eaten. Even though they deserve to be loved, there are some cases where they are abused by their owner to the point that it causes paralysis and loss of eyesight.
Another example, there are bears trapped in small cages for several years for the extraction of their biles, which is used as medicine. These bears suffer from various diseases and they are far from the idle life they should live. When bears from the circus get sick, they do not get any treatment but get abandoned. These bears, even when rescued, are still in mental and physical pain, despite the treatment given.
Dogs and bears should all be able to live freely with animals' rights guaranteed. Then what is animal rights? Animal rights is ensuring animals to have authorities in protection of their lives. This is because all lives are precious and although they are not human, they can feel the pain and joy just like us.
This animal rights is an extended concept of human rights, which includes the right to live, the right not to suffer, and not be abused. Opinions on animal rights vary, but the common view is that animals should not be used as value for money, as food, as clothing materials, or as a means of entertainment.
Therefore, to protect animals around the world, October 4th is designated as Animal Day to guarantee animal rights. On this day, various activities are held around the world to protect animals.
There are many groups that work hard for animal welfare as well. They say animals deserve to be protected as a part of our society. Shall we check more about what they do?
To start with, an organization called Animal Protection Group Life is sponsored by animal lovers for animal welfare and protection. Recently, it has resolved the case of the detection of Jindo dog meat farm.
Next, the Animal Welfare Association not only conduct rescue and support activities, but also make law for animals and does animal protection education.
Lastly, there is also an organization called Green Union that rescues wild animals.
Then, what are some things we can do for animal welfare?
First of all, we should conserve the environment to create a world where animals can live a better life. We definitely all know about the way to protect our environment, such as saving water and using public transportation, right?
And you should have a proper sense not to harm any animals. Furthermore, if you have a chance, how about participating in animal-related volunteer activities?
Let's review the animal rights that we learned through this class. Then, fill out the answers and color the picture on the study sheet. If you take a picture of completed study sheet and send it to 성동 Youth Center, there will be lots of prizes.